Hi, my name is Katie Andre, and Bernadette Venter Suffolk is with me, and we're going to be explaining radiation exposure to organic tissue and the effects. So there's three kinds of radiation exposure, and they come in alpha, beta, and gamma particles. The first one is alpha particles. Alpha particles. They're very large particles, and so it's hard for them to pierce even like the thinnest materials, especially human skin. So really, there isn't a lot of danger to these particles because they are so big. They don't penetrate the body at all. They don't get inside our electron cloud. Okay, so here's Bernadette explaining beta.
Hi, I'm Bernadette Venter Suffolk. The next particle, the next largest, I guess, or most important, is called the beta particle. Beta particle. And the beta is interesting. It carries a charge, unlike the other two. So it can either be positive or negative charge. And it can be absorbed or taken in to the skin, unlike the alpha, but not always, unlike what we're going to talk about, the gamma. So it's a sometimes particle. It can be deflected by a person's, so us, electrocloud. And that is cloud. That is inside of us. And our electrocloud is also, oh yep, electron cloud, positive and negative, so it is good at deflecting. But if the beta particle has an abnormal amount of energy, so if it is supercharged, it will enter the electron cloud and get into your tissues. We will talk about the effects later. Next is the gamma.
Okay, so next, the third and final particle is the gamma particle. These are very, very small photons. They are actually light particles. So gamma particles, they're actually photon, which means light. Photo. Oh, okay. Well, you guys, hang on. We're gonna adjust here for a minute because, yeah, we're total pros, as you can see. We know what we're doing. So yeah. So okay, here we go. Gamma particles. They are actually photon particles. The word photo means light. So they are so light and they're so small that they actually pierce the body no matter what. Pierce the human electron cloud. Electron cloud. Yeah, so they're so small, and they're very, very dangerous because they get in no matter what, and they actually the radiation will actually hit the cells and alter the DNA. So here is Bernadette with a very good example of Madame Curie-ness.
Okay, so an example of, so these are the three different kinds of radiation particles. Now an example of how this affects organisms and organic body tissue is that like gamma particles are so small that unlike the alpha particles, so our alpha particle size makes it so that they don't enter. Gamma particle size makes it so that they do. So, like Madame Curie, who she was an amazing woman who did a lot of research on radiation and just early 19th